Maligayang pagdating dito sa channel ni Bok Choy TV. Sana ay magustuhan nyo ang aking video.
Guys, ayan, welcome back sa aking bahay, ang Bok Choy TV. Guys, nandito pa kami sa trabaho at lunch namin. Ayan, kasi dahil 11 o'clock na, so ano tayo, kakain. Pero bago tayo kumain, guys, bumili po kami ng halo-halo na pang dessert. At sana po ay ang napilihan namin ay masarap yan. Testingin natin kung gaano kasarap ito. Ayan, guys, may binili kami ng halo-halo. Ayan o, guys. Halo-halo, guys. Bumili po kami ng halo-halo pang dessert mamaya. At saka doon sa binila naman, ang pangalan nun? Guys, may binalot sa dahon. Ang tawag dito, saan ka bumili dun sa Alexa's halo-halo? Sa Alexa's store. Tama ba? Alexa's store. Alexa's store, guys. Pwede naman tayo dito lahat sa table lang. Yan. Tapos, binalot sa dito. Yan, guys. Tetesting natin kung gaano kasarap ng kanilang paninda. Siyempre, yan sila. Bili kami. Bili kami dito. 1, 2, 3. Magkano isa nito, ma? Magkano isa? 55, guys. Ano na, ano pa naman, afford naman yung 55. Ayan, kasi isang ganito siyang ganyan talaga. Tapos meron siyang toppings na sa, ano yun? Ano toppings nito? Yung leche plan, tapos may ubi sa loob, may black bean, may beans at saka green, sagu, dyan, and everything. Masarap kasi mapino yung kanilang yellow. So guys, standby muna kayo. Testing natin kung gaano kasarap ang mami ko. Gandang tanghali. Lans tayong nanay ko, pinababayaan ko. Diba ganun lang talaga. Ako yung tumitingin sa kanya, sa kanyang buhat ng buhat. Ako, tigaan, panood lang. Habang sila ay nananahipa, at ako nagbablog na. O, diba? At syempre, may bisita tayo, si Bebe. Anak ni Mama. Ano naman? Ayun. Kaya, pababakunahan ko to eh. Ito po ay isang araw ba ng bakuna ngayon? Araw ng bakuna? Kitang-kita yung balikat niya, oh. Yan, ilang taon na po ba kaya? 18. Wala na nagbago. Ito, 16. 16 years old. Ayan. Shoutout naman dyan, Dede. Ang magandang anak ni Mama Alma. Yan. Bok Choy TV. Yan, guys, maglalunch tayo. Diyan muna kayo, guys. Kasi na-hungry na yung tatlong anaconda sa tiyan ko. Huwag na daw po ako kumain kasi malaki na ang tiyan ko. Talaga ba? Huwag ganon. Masama mag-diet. Yan, guys. Habang tayo nag-video, nag-vlog, standby mo lang sila dyan kasi yung mga kasama namin wala pa. Ang tagal bumili ng ulam nila. Kasi hindi pa sila nagpabili dito. Ano ba laman nito? Pwede mabuksan? Ano to? Ham? 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 Morcon! How can I see that? Morcon, ang sarap, guys. Wow! Morcon! Wow! Bulaga. Patong-patong mo naman, Mama. Yun, diba? Sarap! You know? Ay, ang sarap! Wow! Diba? May ano pala? May kamatas itlog. 3-in-1. Guys, bilhin na kayo dito. Saan pala na ito? Yan, guys, try natin. Sige, guys. Diyan muna kayo. Tatry kung gano'ng sarap.
You're only young one, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there, glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day.
Thank you po.
All I want,
Thank you sa halo-halo, Maida. Yeah, thank you so much.
are some better days. That's all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Oh, isa pa picture. Tingnan na
Every day,
picture pa.
late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Haluin natin yung kanta ka.
Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live in my pace?
Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood. I-like at share. Palaging mag-comment. Pedikit padsikit.